Hi dear students, welcome to maths class. Our next topic is construction of trapeziums. First we are going to draw isosceles trapeziums. See what are the specialities of isosceles trapezium? One pair of opposite sides are parallel, non-parallel sides are equal, these two angles are equal and sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree. These are the properties of an isosceles trapezium. If we have these measurements, we can draw a trapezium. Okay, here the base is equal to 6 centimeter and this angle is equal to 50 degree and this one is equal to 3 centimeter. Yes, how do we construct this? Yes, we know that in an isosceles trapezium, the base angles are equal. So first draw a line of length 6 centimeter, measure 50 degree at both its ends, then measure 3 centimeter here. Measure 3 centimeter here, then just join that, then we get an isosceles trapezium. Let us do that. So this is our question. Draw an isosceles trapezium ABCD where AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to AD is equal to 3 centimeter and angle is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so first draw a line of length. Yes, first we are going to draw our AB. Okay, AB is our base. So draw a line of length 6 centimeter. Then we know that base angles of an isosceles trapezium are equal. So measure 50 degree at this end and similarly 50 degree at this end. Okay, then just draw this line. And similarly here also. Then we know that our AD and BC is equal to 3 centimeter. So measure 3 centimeter here. Okay, and 3 centimeter here. Just join it. So this is our isosceles trapezium. Okay. This is our isosceles trapezium ABCD. Okay, this is equal to 6 centimeter. These two are 3 centimeter and this angle is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Now we are going to construct another isosceles trapezium and this is the question. That is, these two sides are 3 centimeter and the pair of opposite sides, parallel sides is equal to, parallel sides are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, how do we construct this? Yes, for this construction, see, we divide our trapezium into a triangle and a parallelogram. Okay, for that, see, here the base is equal to 6 centimeter and the top side is equal to 4 centimeter. So from right to left, measure 4 centimeter and put a point here. Okay, then this distance is equal to 2 centimeter. Then on your compass take 3 centimeter. That is, we know the two sides are 3 centimeter. Then keeping this point as center and this point as center, draw two arcs and first construct a triangle. Then take 4 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here. We will get our isosceles trapezium. Okay, let us draw. So this is our second question. Draw an isosceles trapezium PQRS where PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Yes. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter, RS is equal to 4 centimeter, and PS and QR is equal to 3 centimeter. Let us draw this. Okay, so first step, First draw a line of length 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we know that its opposite side is 4 centimeter. So measure 4 centimeter from right to left. Okay. Then on your compass, then measure 3 centimeter on your compass. Okay, 3 centimeter on your compass. Then keeping this point as center, draw an arc like this, and keeping this 2 centimeter, that is also draw an arc like this. Okay, then just join that too. So our triangle is ready. Now we know that yes, this side is the side of non-parallel side of this isosceles trapezium. So its opposite side is also equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, that is starting from here. So just draw an arc of 3 centimeter, and we know that the top side is equal to 4 centimeter. Then measure 4 centimeter on your compass. Okay, then just yes, okay, just mark it and complete our figure. So this is our figure. Okay, so next is yes, draw this trapezium. Okay, draw this trapezium into your notebook. Okay, steps are very much similar to the last problem, so this one is a homework question for you. I will check. Okay, and in page number 129, here we have 4 equal isosceles trapeziums. Okay, 4 equal isosceles trapeziums. So draw this isosceles trapezium or this figure into your notebook. Okay, and one more thing, yes, here also we have another trapezium, 4 isosceles, 4 equal trapeziums, another kind. Okay, draw this also. So these two are, so total 3 homeworks are there. Okay children, okay, construct every figure into your notebook. Okay children, thank you.